Let's do this for the 8 billionth time, shall we? This is a new song about uncertainty. You kind of do have a plan, but it's also kind of not a plan. But it is, but it isn't. It's called Uncertain Birds. Birds across the skyline, are making circles upon circles in my eye line. And I know not where they go, but I hope that they are headed somewhere that suits them, that suits them. Passengers awaiting in the station, they are 50 people deep for the midnight bus. And I know not where they go, but I hope their bags are filled with gifts for loved ones and good intentions, good intentions. A man upon the median in Dorchester flails around a bucket with the words God bless. I know not where he goes, but I hope that he is headed somewhere where good folks care and listen well, listen well, listen well. And waves upon waves upon waves, I watch them devour each other, lonely on this warm summer day. And I know not where I'll go. May I revel, ebb and flow. I'm the smallest wave in an ocean of tomorrow. Tomorrow. Tomorrow.